Hey beautiful, wonderful people, welcome to another day, another vlog. It's Mrs. King. Today's video we're going to town in Palmerston North. It's 30 minutes drive from here in Marton, and we're going to show you, we're actually going to the shops in Marton to get some stuffs for our camping.
So go camping.
Yeah, we're gonna go camping. Ay, Baba.
We're gonna go camping now?
Not now. That's
Stuff.
why we're going to get some stuff.
All the stuff we need to go camping.
Yeah, are you excited? Alright guys, we'll see you in town. Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa first shop na pupuntahan namin. It's a hunting and fishing. This is where we ordered our tent for 8 person. Kahit tatlo lang kami. Ay, Dad.
Yeah, 8 person. Big one.
Hey guys, we got our first aid kit. We got actually a list here. We're in the
Yeah, we had a tent on reserve.
camping area. Tapos na tayo sa hunting and fishing. We'll try to go to Kathmandu. See ya! Alright guys, we're here in Kathmandu. So, Madam Baby. We got that one. So, that.
Hi. Get your shoes.
Hi guys, we're done in Kathmandu. Next shop will be Mitterton. Yeah, we'll see you later. We'll see you there. Ang init. That's the shop we're going to, guys. Mega. Mitterton. Hey guys, we're home. Sobrang init. Nakatulog si Madam Baby. Yun, hindi namin nabili lahat ng kailangan namin sa camping. Nabili namin yung mga yung mga importante. So we have to make another list. I'll show you the stuff that we got today. This is the stuff that we got from Kathmandu, like this one. A double cupboard, and then we got our tent here, Aspire 8 dome tent. This is for 8 person, and we got some air water shoes. It's a rock hopper shoes, and we got the first aid kit from hunting and fishing. And then from Kathmandu we got some anti-mosquito bracelet, and then my favorite is the portable hammock. This is what we got in Mitterton dahil walang available na stove for camping sa Mitterton, Palmerston North. So may available dito sa Marton. So we only just got this stuff. This is ice brick, citronella candle, bamboo chopping board for the camping, and this one, the butane. This one as well. Sa Pilipinas, katul ang pangalan nito. That's it. So yeah, that's all we've got, guys. So yun guys, yun lang lahat muna ang nabili namin for today, for camping. Gagawa ulit kami ng list again. So yun lang guys, for now. just an update. Another day buying some stuff for camping.
Oh, give me the rubber.
Camping, baby.
Yay, we got
Our cooker.
cooker for camping.
Nice.
We got our orders from Kathmandu for the camping. Oh, you
What?
ordered some.
Instant rice, backcountry for the wife. And mashed potato. And just add water. Just add water smoothies for our camping.
Nice.
Banana and berry.
Hey guys, just an update of buying our stuff for camping. At the moment, we're here in Palmerston North. Just get other stuff for camping. So we're here in hunting and fishing shop just to get the whistling kettle, and then we might go other shop as well to get some other stuff for camping, and then we're all good. Because some camping stuff, guys, we already ordered through online, so it's already at home. So yeah, camping soon. Hi Baba, are you excited to go camping? Yeah.
I want to go on the river camping. I want to go camping in the river.
Yeah.
In my
See ya.